Hello, it's Scott with SkipperBud's here in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. Here we have one of our 2022 MasterCraft XT-25s. The Midnight Flake in navy blue. This tandem axle trailer it's sitting on. Nice swim platform. This, of course, has the SurfStar system. Nice swim platform. Go ahead and get up in the boat here. And with this being the XT-25, there's tons of room all the way throughout the boat. It does have the flip seat, so if you want to ride facing backwards and watch your riders. Another flip seat here. The traditional nose. It's all cool feel interior. Boat's rated for 18 people. It does have the windscreen as well. It's both equipped with a dual screen dash, wireless charger, ZFT 8 tower with clamping board racks. Of course, the clips audio throughout. Little trash can there. It's one of our last 2022s left. This boat's got a great deal on it. So please call us for details on that. Nice USB ports up here. Nice glove box. Tons of storage throughout underneath all these seats. Does have a bimini with it as well. There you have it. If you have any other questions, please give us a call.